channel. For those of you who are new, I am Tricka of TrickaPlans, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back, cuties. This is where the planning and the cuteness collide. On my channel, I will share my love for planning, all things cute, along with other aspects of my lifestyle, and some encouragement. I hope you find some inspiration here and decide to stay. And if you're not already a part of TrickaPlans, hashtag Cuteness Squad, what are you guys waiting on? All you simply have to do is tap the red subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified of my uploads and lives. Give your girl a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you guys are ready for what we have in store for you today over here at TrickaPlans. So if you are ready, then let's get into maybe the plans or maybe not. Hey cuties, welcome to another video. On this video, I have a massive Dollar Tree haul. Let me tell y'all, Dollar Tree has stepped their game all the way up. Okay, I'm gonna just dive right in because I don't want the video to be too extremely long, but this is some of the stuff that I have from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna try to, I have all of it in this bag right beside me. So first up, we have a microfiber screen cleaner. Okay, so I have to always clean my screen and wipe off my lens because I like to make sure I have lotion and stuff on my hands when I'm filming, and I kind of always touch the lens part. So I got me a little cute screen cleaner. I have here some phone cases. I am gonna do a DIY phone. I might do it on camera. I'm trying to bling out a phone case, you guys. I got some bling, and so I didn't want to get an expensive case in case I mess up. So hey, why not for $1? Try it with the dollar. So I have a black one and a holographic one, and I think I have a clear one, but the clear one is the expensive one. So I'm gonna try it on one of these dollar store ones first. Then I ran across this. This is a 2-piece notebook set. This is A5 size, and I got it, and guess what? It fits perfectly in my number 8 Foxy Fix TN, and I hope you guys saw my war binder setup that I am using. I am using that Foxy Fix. It's a number 8 Himalayan, I think it's a Himalayan salt Foxy Fix. I will try to link it in the cards above because it is the war binder setup, and these actually fit in there, and this is lined paper for you to jot some notes. And I love it because look, I don't know, can you guys see this foil? Yes, look at that. This is some cute little shimmery diamonds, and then this one doesn't have the shimmer. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, well, yes it do. Wait a minute. So this one has the shimmer as well. So check out Dollar Tree. Let me continue. Okay, so I have here, I have all kinds of stuff. Let me tell you some, and I'm gonna show y'all my favorite snacks from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay, so I got 2 of these non-slip rug underlays, and let me tell you, I got them for my office because I have one of those furry rugs, and I took it off the floor because every time I happen to be like just walking in here or just, you know, jogging in here real quick, I be about to bust my butt. I took a slide and I just took it off the floor. I slid all the way across the room. So hopefully these will help. And I said, before I invest in a more expensive one, I'm gonna try the Dollar Tree one because I've seen it in there. So love that. So I'm trying to keep up with all of this stuff. I'm trying to bag it back up as I go so I won't make a mess. Okay, these are, let me tell y'all, fun fact about me, these mints I absolutely love them. I love them because my grandmother used to always give them to me in church to act right and to behave and to be quiet in church. So I love these mints, and I can eat the whole bag if y'all let me, if I let myself. So yeah. And another one of my favorites from Dollar Tree is these Imperial Nuts. This is the energy blend. When I tell you these things are the bomb, y'all better try some. And hey, I eat these and then I pop me a couple of mints, and I be toting these mints around. So I got me I get me a little plastic bag and I just take them with me. So that's another fun fact. Love the mints, love the energy mix. So y'all, let me tell y'all about Crafters Square. They got some really nice stuff, and I have started back low-key doing my memory keeping, and my friend Lakeisha has been doing the scrapbooking, and my friend Bev has been doing the junk journaling. So I used to do scrapbooking. I've always been a scrapbooker and a planner, and it's just in me for years. And I've also made some junk journals. So when I seen this, I said, you know what, I might go back to dabbling in doing some little stuff. So this is my motivation to get back started. So I brought a lot of these to get me back pumped and ready. So this is Good Day, Happy, and Thanks. Look, these are sticker crafts. This is by the Crafters Square from Dollar Tree. This one is so pretty. I love the colors and everything. So this is Make It Happen. I got these because of the truck. And my granddaddy had an old Sanford and Son kind of truck, and he used to let me drive it all the time. So anytime I see trucks like this, it makes me think of my granddad, and it puts a smile on my face. Rest in heaven, granddaddy. Love you. So and I love sunflowers, and my daughter loves sunflowers. So I probably will give her a couple of these stickers to put in her planner, because she says she wants her planner to look like mine. So, and look at this. This is so gorgeous to me. I am going to do something really nice with this. So you guys be on the lookout. I got some different things coming your way. And look, oh my God, look at this. See? Sunflowers and daffodils. Okay, so this is also by the Crafters Square. And look, I keep hitting my little TrickaPlans. Okay, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So I got these in hopes of getting back into the swing of things. And I got more. Hold on, let me get all of the crap and stuff out of the way. So this is the, ooh, sure. Wait a minute. Okay. So, okay. They had these Z-grip pens by Zebra. You know, I've been into this wild style sort of thing, so I went ahead and got these. And I can write these on these are ballpoint pens. I just use the ballpoint pens on my transparent sticky notes. So I'll leave that up here on my desk to get started ASAP with that. So let's see what else I got from the Crafters Companion. Okay, let me go over these. I got me a cookbook. So this is 100 easy recipes for your portable cooktop. So we have a portable cooktop at the salon, and hey, I say if it's easy meals, I could probably whip up something at the shop. So I'll be, you know, using that. Okay, then I have this. I had a couple of them. I had a keto one as well, but I sent it to my friend Lakeisha over at Lakeisha Loves to Plan. I already sent it off to her before I did this haul. So a couple of things I've already sent off because I know I saw something that I liked it for her for her home. So I sent the keto one off to her because she's doing, well, she's more on keto than me. So I got me some Mexican. I got me a Mexican cookbook for my Taco Tuesdays. And then I also have one for pasta because I like all types of different pastas. So I don't even know what's in here, but for $1, why not? Why not try it? Okay, next up is the rest of the items. So, okay. So here are some more crafter squares. I have nature. Isn't that pretty? Love that. Okay, let me put that over there. Put that over there. I have the home. I got a travel one too, but I already got my project set up for me to do the travel one. So you will see that in my, when I get ready to use it. And look at this, good times. Live for today. And I got this because of this bicycle. And I love me a bike like this. And I'm going to get me another one. They stole my last one, but it was pink too. And so I'm going to get that one. I'm going to get me another one. Then look at this. Spring. And spring is about to end. So if I can hurry up and get one done before the first day of summer, then that'll work. So we have that. Then they have a faith section in Dollar Tree, you guys. She said that they're getting more stickers, and I'm looking for those planners. So I will be frequenting Dollar Tree. So look at this. Isn't this pretty? Cherish every moment. Love and cherish. So I got this. Don't lose hope. You never know what tomorrow may bring. Pain is real, but so is hope. I love this. You are stronger than you think. Someone might need this message today. Okay? And look at this one. I love the colors. I love the typewriter. Love is a faith that dreams will come true. Love is you. I just want to thank you for being my reason to look forward to the next day. See, these are so inspirational. I love these. Believe and you can, and you are halfway there. Yes, love these. Love these. My Dollar Tree was popping, honey. And then, of course, you guys know Father's Day is coming up, and we will be doing a Father's Day collab. I hope everyone got their Father's Day kit from Vin Von Alley because it is so nice. I don't know, you better go ahead and hop on and get you one because at this point, in order to get it by Father's Day, you need to act now. Vin Von Alley, www.vinvonalley, Tricka20, TRICKA 20. The link will be in the description bar below. Check it out. Save 20% off of your total purchase. Go ahead and get yourself that Father's Day kit. That is nice. So that's what else I have. And then I have these little paper clips. And then I have, let me tell you, I'm mad because these are $1, but the other ones I have was like $3.99, $4.99. So they're $1. And you know I love me a pom-pom. And these two colors I'm gonna gift away, but you know I'm gonna keep the pinks. I might just keep 2 pinks. So I will be sending some of these out in Happy Mail. So you never know. And you already know I'm a lover of butterflies, so I had to get some butterflies. Since we're talking about butterflies, I got some butterfly items from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go through the butterflies section of what I got. First up is this tote bag with the butterflies on it. I have that. Yes, I got me a butterfly tote bag. And look at these boxes. Okay, wait a minute. Let me look. I got a butterfly candle holder. And isn't it cute? Put that right there on my desk. I don't have much room on my desk for nothing else. But look at these boxes. Aren't they cute? Oh my God. And bam. Got some pretty butterfly boxes. You could put paper clips. You can put any kind of planner stuff in there. So I got that. And then you know I had to get this color. Yes. So my butterfly girls, I already know who they are. They may be getting a surprise in the mail. And then look at these. Isn't this cute? I mean, I couldn't resist. I just couldn't resist. And then I love how they got all of them flocked together like that. Love, love, love it. Isn't that pretty? So I got that. And I had to do it. Okay, y'all, I had to get it. I love the Mickey Mouse bag. Mickey Mouse has been in the legend since 1928. You about as old as my grandma, Disney. My grandma was born in 19 what? Well, she's 93. No, wait a minute. She's 94. So Mickey Mouse and my grandma about the same age there. And I found, oh my God, I found these prayer boxes in there. I got the prayer jars. I'm going to have to show y'all the prayer jars one day. But look at this. And look in the inside. It has a verse. One thing I ask from the Lord, this only do I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to gaze on the beauty of the Lord and seek him in his temple. Psalm 27:4. But I thought these prayer boxes were so super cute. And then it has a pencil, and it even have a pad so that you can write your prayers down. So you might want to check and see if your Dollar Tree have those. I really do like them. And so of course I had to get another one, and this one is my favorite scripture for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. And someone blessed me and put hey on the notepad. So someone used it, but it's okay. I'll take that first sheet off. And that is my Dollar Tree haul. Oh, and then I did find my travel one. So I got the travel one because I am about to do a memory plan with me. And I also have these beautiful alphas. The alphabets has 124 pieces. So thank you so much for joining me in this Dollar Tree haul. You guys, I'll see you in my next haul. Toodles. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay updated on my videos and my lives. All you simply have to do is tap the red subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you can get a little ding ding or a little beep beep whenever I come on live or I upload a video. Give your girl a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I would love to have you over here at TrickaPlans, #cuteness squad. And I can't wait until the next video. So I will see you guys soon. Toodles!